In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your HubSpot signature to Gmail using an easy method tailored for 2025. We're going to break it down step by step, ensuring you can follow along seamlessly and integrate this new feature with confidence. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot user guide. This is your central hub for all things HubSpot and will serve as our starting point. In case you need a URL, you can find this guide on HubSpot's official website. Once you're there, you'll feel right at home as the interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Next up, let's dive into the settings. You'll find the settings icon located typically at the top right corner of your screen. It's represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. By diving into settings, we're navigating to the area of HubSpot where all the magic happens. This is where you can personalize your profile and manage various preferences. It's a centralized place where you can customize tools according to your needs. And today, it's all about setting that email signature. After accessing the settings, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you will see various options. What we need is the email section, which will direct us to all things related to the emails you handle via HubSpot. Click on this option, and you'll be just a couple of steps away from achieving what we set out to do. Now, you should be in the email settings section. Within this area, look for the option that says Manage Email Signatures. This will allow you to control how your email signatures appear and make changes as needed. A well-crafted signature is not only professional, but also adds a personal touch to each of your interactions. By managing your email signatures here, you can ensure that your correspondences maintain a consistent look and branding. Once you've located this, go ahead and click. At this point, you have successfully reached the section where you can add or alter your HubSpot email signature. Here, you can create a new signature or modify an existing one to make sure it reflects your personal style and brand message. Spend some time here fine-tuning your signature to include your name, company, contact details, or any other information you deem necessary. Finally, once you're satisfied with your signature, save your changes. To see your new signature in action, send a test email to yourself via Gmail. Open your Gmail, compose a new email, and you should see your freshly minted HubSpot signature ready to make a statement. Congratulations, you've now added a professional touch to your emails. And there you have it. You've mastered how to add your HubSpot signature to Gmail for the year 2025. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.